Every missed email is a missed opportunity. A potential customer fills out your contact form. A support request comes in. A partnership inquiry lands in your inbox. But you're busy. The email sits there for hours, sometimes days. And by the time you finally get to it, the customer has already gone to a competitor. The worst part? Most business owners spend their mornings doing work that shouldn't require them at all. Reading emails, sorting inquiries, forwarding messages, writing the same responses over and over again. What if an AI employee could do all of that for you? What if every contact form submission was instantly analyzed, categorized, routed to the right person, and even had a professional response drafted automatically? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered email agent using N8N that works 24 hours a day, never misses an inquiry, and can save your team hours every single week. No coding required. And it's completely free. You can build the entire thing in about 10 minutes. Before we jump into the video, I spend a lot of time researching and figuring out these workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. All right, let's get into it. Here's the final workflow before we build it together. An email comes in. The automation picks it up, sends it to an AI node that classifies it. It asks, is this a sales inquiry, a support request, or something else? Based on that classification, it drafts an automated reply and notifies the right person on Telegram. We are going to use AI to just write draft replies for now. We will check it for a week or two. If the AI agent is working well, we can change it to directly send replies. I have a contact form on my website. We ask for the user's name, their email address, and their message. Right now, when someone submits this, it goes into a dedicated Gmail inbox. We want to intercept that using our automation. Let's open up N8N. If you are new to N8N, it is an incredibly powerful visual automation tool. You can use their cloud version for a small fee, or you can self-host it for free. If you need help self-hosting, please check the link in the comment section. Let's create a new workflow. We are going to start by adding a trigger node. I'll click Add First Step. Type in Gmail, select the On Message Received trigger. We need to add our Gmail credentials. I have my account already added. You can add yours by clicking the Add Credentials button here. You need to add your Gmail client ID and client secret here. N8N has a step-by-step guide on how to get these. Follow the tutorial. Then connect your Gmail account. Under poll time, I will select 5 minutes. That means the automation will check every 5 minutes if we have any new messages. Then it will do its things. I will turn off Simplify. I want N8N to fetch the whole email. Now we will also make sure our automations only catches real incoming emails, not sent. So click on Add Filter, then label names or IDs. Choose Inbox. I will add another filter. I will choose Read Status. Then Unread Emails Only. These are not a must, but they will fix any unintended mistakes. I will now test if this trigger is working correctly. Let's click Test this trigger. Boom! Instantly, it retrieves the latest unread email from my inbox. If we look at the output here, we can see all the information from the user. Now, before we send this data to an AI agent, we will clean this up. We don't want to send bloated junk data, and we want to keep our AI prompt tight. So I will add an Edit Fields note. I will add a new field. I will give it the name Subject. Then I will drag the subject field here. I will add another field for sender name. I will drag the From field here. You know what? I will also add another field for email ID. I will drag the email variable here. Next, I will add a field for email body. I will drag the text field here. Finally, I will add a field for date. I will drag the date variable. I will now execute the step. You should see a clean output with just those 5 fields. Now that we have this data inside our workflow, it's time to give our automation a brain. We will send this data to an AI model and get back a category label. So I will add an AI agent module. Click on Chat Model. I will add OpenRouter Chat Model. What we are doing here is simple, so we don't need a state-of-the-art AI model. We will use a free AI model from OpenRouter. We need to add our OpenRouter API key. Go to openrouter.ai, sign in or create an account. Then create an API key. Copy the key. Paste here. We are now connected to OpenRouter. Search for a free model. I will use this free OpenAI model. Now go back to the AI agent. Under Source, choose Define Below. Now here we will pass our email infos to this AI agent. Subject. I will pull in the subject field. I will do the same for From. And Body. Now we need to add a system prompt. I will paste this prompt. What it does is very simple. It asks the AI to read the email text and classify it into one of these 4 categories. You can change the categories to whatever you want. I will execute this step. We got a category name as output. Now our AI has a brain and can read the emails and classify them into categories. It's time to add a traffic cop and route the email based on the category the AI chose. Sales emails will go to the sales workflow. Support will go to support workflow, and so on. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. I will add a switch node. We need to add 4 routing rules for our 4 categories. The first value will be the output for all of them. I will drag and drop the output text. In the second value, we need to add the category name. We now have 4 switches. The first one is support. Any email that gets classified as support will go to this path. I will add another AI agent here. This will write a draft reply. I will add OpenRouter Chat Model here. I will choose the same OpenAI free model. Now we need to add some prompt here. I will copy the old prompt structure here. Subject. Then I will drag the subject field from here. I will do the same for from. Again, the same for body. This will give the AI agent these 3 inputs. The agent will write the reply based on this. In the system message, I will paste this prompt. This is a simple prompt. It gives the AI its identity, it says what it should do, it will write a reply for the input it got. Then it states some rules. But this is not enough for the AI agent to write relevant replies, so we need to add some infos about our business. This is for support emails. So what kind of support questions do you usually get? What do you answer? You need to add those infos here. Add as much infos as you can. This will help the AI answer the questions. Let's execute the steps here and see if everything is working correctly. Yes, we got successful out in every step so far. When you are done, duplicate the node for the next 2 switch. Inside the prompt, you need to change the texts and infos. Again, check your last 20 to 30 sales email. What kind of questions you got and what kind of answers you had to write. Add those infos here. Our last switch is for spam. We will choose the Do Nothing node here. Spam emails do not need any replies. Okay, so our AI will generate a reply. We needed to push the text back into your actual Gmail inbox and save it as draft. I will add a Gmail Create a Draft node. In subject, I will write RE, then I will drag the subject variable. In body, I will drag in the draft message from the AI node. We also need to add the thread ID. I will drag that variable from Gmail trigger. This will save our draft in the correct email. Let's execute this step. Now open your actual Gmail account in a new tab and go to your drafts folder. You should see a brand new draft sitting there, pre-filled with the AI's response and addressed to the person who sent the test email. Instead of draft, you can set it up so that the AI automatically replies to the emails. But we are going to just write a draft replies here. We will check it for a week or 2. If the AI agent is working well, we can change it to directly send replies. Now we will add a confirmation step. Whenever we get a new message and AI writes a draft, it will send us a notification in Telegram. You don't have to use Telegram. You can use Discord, Slack, email, WhatsApp, or something else. I will add a Telegram send a text message node. We need to add our credentials. In Telegram, I have created a new bot. You can do it by messaging the bot father and writing /new bot. After creating a bot, you will get a token. Copy that key and start the bot. Paste the key here. It will be connected. In the chat ID field, you need to add our Telegram chat ID. In Telegram, I have created a group with my account and the bot. We need the ID of this group. I will send a test message. Then I will copy the message link. You see this number? This is our group ID. I will paste it here. but we need to add -100 before it. In message, I will write, "Hey, the AI just drafted a reply for a new email from..." Then I will add the email of the sender. I will duplicate these nodes for the other two. Now our automation is ready. We have officially built an end-to-end AI email automation. We just need to publish it. Whenever AI write a draft reply, it will send us a Telegram message like this. From now on, whenever an email hits that inbox, N8N will catch it, clean it, AI classify it, draft a reply based on the category, and notify your team. This will all happen while you sleep. After 1 or 2 weeks, if everything is working correctly, you can tell AI to directly send the email. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.